In this video, you will learn how to create customized reports using the Excel template. Unlike with simple reporting, the Excel template allows you to combine data from different channels into one report. To access the Excel template function, go to the Reports and Analytics icon on the left-hand menu bar and select Excel templates from the drop-down menu. Once inside the module, on the left, you can choose the type or source of information that will be pulled into this report. You can choose from inbound, outbound, agents, databases, IVRs, tickets, quality, e-learning, and scripts. You can choose the subtype if you want it to be daily, monthly, or related to outcome or totals. And you can select how you want this information grouped. The grouping options will change depending on the type of source you choose above. In this example, we are creating an outbound report. So I have the option to select which campaign or campaigns I want to pull into this report. I can choose specific campaigns or all of the campaigns available in GoContact. Once configured, click on Add Raw Sheet to Template. I can repeat this process for all the types I want to pull into this report. For example, if I want to look at agent activity, I can select agents. I can select the subtype if I want to look at performance, work hours, login and breaks, or the activity log. And then I can choose the agents. I can choose all or specific agents to evaluate, and then I'll click on Add Raw Sheet to Template. Once all the raw sheets have been added, click on Download an Excel template. Your template will be downloaded with the name Raw Template. You will want to give your template a different name that will make it easy to identify the report you are looking for later on. To do that, go to the Upload New Template on the right, enter your template name, click Browse to locate the raw template you have just created, then select Upload Template. You'll get a notification letting you know that the upload was successful, and you'll also be able to locate your template in the Download Created Templates dropdown. You can choose to show the raw pages or not, and most importantly, you need to select the time frame of the report you want to render. And the last step is to click Download Created Template.